Hello everyone, and welcome back to the SNS channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're so excited to introduce you to our latest collection, the Say Yes collection. There's so many beautiful pastels and shimmers in this collection that we couldn't just pick one color. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, we've already prepped the nails and applied natural set. For a full tutorial, please click the link on screen. We will need the Say Yes number 19 and Jealous base. First, we will begin by applying Jealous base onto the nail, avoiding the cuticle line. After 2 applications, we will now use Sealer Dry We will move on to the next color, which is Say Yes 6. Continue applying Jealous base in an even fashion on each of the nails, then dip them into the powder at a 90-degree angle. Apply 2 coats on all the nails. Dust off any excess powder. We don't want to cross-contaminate. We're going to apply Crystal Sheer on top of all the nails so we have a protective layer. Use Jealous base on top of each nail, dip into Crystal Sheer powder, and move on to the next nail. We will now use Sealer Dry and wait for it to completely dry. You know the nails are ready for file and buff after you tap the end of the brush onto the nail and you hear a clicking noise. Use the file and buffer to smooth out any edges and uneven surfaces. Go ahead and apply Sealer Dry one more time. Now we're going to get a paintbrush, a very thin one, depending on the type of design that you would like to do. But if you'd like to follow along, this one's very thin. And what we're doing is dipping into our UV gel and applying the design like so. Go ahead and put it under the UV LED light for 30 seconds. Now we're going to take out our chrome brush and apply it over the entire UV design. Go ahead and place the design under the UV LED lamp for another 60 seconds. Repeat the process as necessary. Follow along with our UV base for the complete design. Make sure to dry after each application and put the chrome on top of the UV gel. We're going to go ahead and also add some beautiful diamonds to this design because no wedding nail can be without them. For one of the final steps, we're going to apply the Gelstar UV top coat over all the nails and dry for another 60 seconds. To finish our design, we want to make sure those cuticles are beautiful and nourished. That's why we're going to use the vitamin oil. Apply it on the cuticle line and spread it around the nail bed. Look at that beautiful design. I know she is ready for her wedding day. All right, thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. If you like this design and would like more, let us know which designs we should be doing next. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye!